Hello, I hope you found Module 1 to be thought-provoking and exciting and fun as you move through your concept map and your map quest, web quest. See, I say it wrong every time. Your web quest in looking at the history of nursing and resources you can use as you move through the course. As we move to Module 2, this is where you will begin looking at your clinical questions and developing your PICO question related to your topic of interest. So here's where you have some leeway in choosing what topic you want to use as we move through the course. And Module 2 is really about looking at questions, developing your question or based on your clinical problem in your area of interest. And we're also going to do a synthesis table, which is really a literature review related to your topic of interest. We are going to embed the librarian in this course. So if you have issues with looking for articles in the CINAHL web base at the Walker Library, the virtual library, you can reach out to our librarian. Her name is Jackie Dowdy. Jacqueline Dowdy will be embedded in this course, and you can use her as a resource if you have issues with searching for articles to include in that synthesis table literature review. We're going to look at different types of research, qualitative studies, quantitative studies. We're going to look at clinical practice guidelines. We're going to touch on that in just a little bit. And then in a future module, Dr. Flagg is working on nuts and bolts of the clinical practice guidelines for you. So within your activities for this module, you'll be doing your PICO question creation, and there's a form for you to complete that in. We'll also look at the synthesis table. And the synthesis table may seem really overwhelming and cumbersome at first, but I have provided here organizing and analyzing of the literature. And this is the document that steps you through how to complete your synthesis table. We are going to ask you to find 8 to 10 articles of the topic of your choice and appraise the literature related to those articles that you have found. As always, if you have questions, please reach out to your instructor. That may be me, that may be Dr. Flagg, or someone else. Hopefully it's the one of the two of us, and we can guide you where you need to be in relationship to doing your PICO question assignment and also your synthesis table.